Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video basically to do an English speaking practice, and today I've just chosen out one cue card for speaking in this video that is about describing an occasion you got up early in the morning. So this is the cue card which I'm going to speak in this video, and I hope that you will watch this video till the end so you can understand how a beginner speak and how you can basically improve your fluency by start speaking, because that is the most important part if you want to basically speak fluently in English language. So let's jump into this video without wasting our time. Okay, so let's get started. If I talk about in my life, there are very less time where I wake up in early morning, because I'm a basically a lethargic person, you can say. I try to basically take things casually in the morning, and so at the point basically this was around last 2 to 3 years back when I was preparing for government exam, and at that point I just prepare too much. There is some sort of revision which is left, so for that I just wake up around 4 o'clock, and then after I need to find out my exam center. It is nearest to my place, but yeah, still I need to find out the exam center, and for that I wake up around 4 o'clock, and at least 2 to 3 hours I prepare myself for exam. And basically there are important parts which I just revise in the morning, and after that I just visited to particular place which is exam center, and just try to reach as much as early as possible, because I just want to basically attempt all the questions and prepare myself fully so that I can basically give the exam properly. So I just basically after revising in my home, and then around 9 o'clock I just went from my home and just looking out the place. It will take me to 3 hours, because my exams have started from 2:30, and so yeah, it was around 2.5 hours of time which I've got. And particularly on that time period I got enough time, and I am able to basically revise my whole thing, which is very important. And yeah, along with that, waking up in the morning is feels freshness, and it we do have a lot of energy in the morning, so that we can utilize it in a place where we can get actually a reward. And yeah, I've been very help I've been at the point I was feeling amazed that I wake up at this particular time, and I just get out the things which I want to get. And so for the cue card, basically that is it. And I think I've been able to speak for more than 2 minutes, and there is some sort of words which is required me to basically speak more. But yeah, you can see there are not enough words, and so how can I basically speak more than 2 minutes, and how can I can create basically content while over speaking? Yeah, it is a most crucial part of my particular life, and I'm been working on it. But in upcoming days I'll try to basically uh, give you a solid content which helps you. But if you are watching this video, you can also basically become a fluent English speaker once you start practicing today onwards. So on this video, that is it. I hope you find this video helpful. Bye bye, have a good day.